Good morning dear students. So let's start our next class. From today onwards we are going to start exercise 13.2 and this exercise is related with the inverse proportion. So most of the questions are related with inverse proportion in this exercise. So let's start the exercise and the question number first is that which of the following are in inverse proportion. So some sentence and the situations are given here. So we have to find the situations are related to direct or inverse proportion. So the first is the number of workers on a job and the time to complete the job. So this is the situation where we have the workers on a job and the time taken by them. So if we are increasing the number of workers, then the taken time, which is taken by the workers, it will be less as compared to the previous situation. So this sentence or this situation is in the inverse proportion. Second number, the time taken for the journey and the distance traveled in a uniform speed. Uniform speed, that means the speed which cannot be changed. So if a vehicle is traveling in a uniform speed, so if it taking more time, then the distance will be traveled by that particular vehicle will be more. So if vehicle is traveling at a 50 km per hour speed and for 1 hour, that means it will cover only 50 km. And if the vehicle is taken 3 hours, then it means 150 km. So if one quantity is increasing, then other quantity is also increasing. So it is in the direct proportion, not in inverse proportion. Third one is area of cultivated land and the crop harvested. Okay, so this situation is also in the direct proportion, because if the area is increasing, then we get more crops which is harvested. So this is in the direct proportion. The time taken for a fixed journey and the speed of the vehicle. The time taken for a fixed journey, that means the distance is fixed and the speed of the vehicle. It is in the inverse proportion, because the fixed journey, that means the distance is constant but the speed can be changed. If we are increasing our speed, then we can travel more distance in a short time. So it is in the inverse proportion, because the distance will be, because the speed is increasing and the time is taken by the vehicle is less. Now next is the population of a country and the area of land per person. So this situation is in the inverse proportion, because if the population of country is increasing or decreasing, then the area of land per person will be also increasing or decreasing as per the situation. When the population is increasing, the area of the land per person will be also increasing, and same as vice versa. So this is in the indirect proportion or inverse proportion, you can say. So this is the solution of the question number first.